Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out 5 best dash cameras for cars, front and rear 4K dual dashcam. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for the best dash camera and have the products for you. To find out more information and updated pricing on these best dash cameras for cars, you can check out the links in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Fifth product on my list, ZXT4 Touchscreen Dashcam. ZXT4 Touchscreen Front and Rear Dashcam Full HD 1080 Pixel with Night Mode. One-hand operation touchscreen. Featuring 4-inch sensitive touchscreen with simple and elegant icons, the dual dashcam makes each operation more effortless and responsive, such as navigating the menus and settings. Locking the current video. Thoughtful and friendly user interface for you to operate. 4 preset optimized modes. Selecting a mode automatically optimizes 4 features with preset values designed to best suit your environment, saving your time having to customize each individually. Drive. Optimized for regular use, scenic, longer video clips for easier video post-processing, WDR, for better light balance. Great for bright days or nighttime driving. Park increases G-sensor sensitivity and battery efficiency for monitoring your parked vehicle. You're on the way. Witness, the dash camera ensures simultaneous recording front and rear both in Full HD 1080p. Never miss a license plate in Full HD 1920x 1080p at 30 frames per second, and single front camera provides you with a crystal clear QHD 2560x 1440p at 30 fps video resolution. Front and rear ultra-wide 155-degree viewing angle capture more of the road around you. A 6-layer glass lens and powerful imaging processor ensure more details are captured. PIP mode supported, ensures clear and easy playback. Super clear night vision with WDR technology. Wide dynamic range technology compensates for light dark spots and balances exposure. This ensures no overexposure during the day and brings greater clarity at night. It can also restore the true colors of objects for a fuller picture. Car license plates can be easily captured at night. Ensures the clear footage and images you need to record driving at night. Automatic safeguards. Records automatically with vehicle ignition, switches off automatically with ignition off, energy-saving LCD screen off timer, loop recording feature for efficient storage management, manual and automatic video protection from deletion, built-in G-sensor accelerometer triggers crash vibration recording, parking mode watchdog for 24/7 surveillance of your vehicle with external battery pack or hardwire kit. Supports TF microSD cards up to 256 GB. Fourth product on my list, AZDOME M63 4K Dual Dashcam. AZDOME M63 3-inch display 4K dual dashboard camera with UHD 3840x 2160 pixel 4K plus 1080p dual dashcam. The upgraded version of M63 turned off the speed warning function. Each pack comes with a 4K front camera, 3840x 2160 pixel and 1080 pixel rear camera, which coupled with the WDR and f1.8 large aperture allows them to record and capture every moment clearly, even in low light situations, and view them on the 3-inch IPS screen display. Supports up to 128 GB memory card. Multifunction and built-in battery, with G-sensor, loop recording, parking monitoring, motion detection, time-lapse, screensaver, and built-in 200 mAh Li-ion battery. While your car is parked, the 4K dash camera for cars automatically turns on and starts recording 1-minute video after it detects an impact. Then lock that video file before automatically turned off. Wide angle and super night vision. The front and rear car dash camera with dual Sony sensor and 170-degree 150-degree super wide-angle lens captures every moment clearly by automatically improving the contrast while offering a wider field of vision so you can see more effectively in any condition. IP68 waterproof metal rear camera. Many customers give us feedbacks that they hope to have a high-quality rear camera with excellent waterproof effect and get rid of the inferior plastic feeling. AZDOME M63 driving recorder equipped with the newest IP68 waterproof metal rear camera and can record 1080 pixel Full HD video. If you are looking for a high-quality rear camera, this will meet your needs. Third product on my list, Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dashcam. Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi GPS. Front 4K and 2.5K rear 1080 pixel dual dash camera for cars. Record UHD videos front and rear of your car. Kingslim D4 4K dual dash camera can simultaneously record videos in front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, clearly capturing license plates and Rove signs. You can switch to front view in QHD 2.5K and rear view in Full HD 1080p for daily video recording, capture QHD details to help restore the truth. Control by phone app and 3 IPS touchscreen, easy to connect D4 with phone app via built-in Wi-Fi. You can play back and download videos and adjust the settings directly via phone app. Easy operation on setting functions at your fingertips without fiddly buttons. Auto record GPS data for your driving, built-in GPS, which records your route and driving speed in videos. GPS module attached to the dashcams, no need to wire the GPS cable separately. Better night vision with Sony sensor. Kingslim Dual Dashcam adopts the industry-leading Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor in his Silicon High 3559 processor. With super night vision, f1.8 aperture, and WDR technology, you can record stunning details even in low-light environments. With front 170 and rear 150 super wide viewing angles and 6-layer glass fixed focus lens, it gives you maximum coverage of the road and greatly enhances night vision, providing sharp and clear images and videos. Never lose driving footage. Supports up to 256GB TF card, which is enough for recording 4K videos. Combined with loop recording function, so you never lose any crucial evidence. That means 24-hour protection for your car. To fully meet the recording and playback of 4K resolution video, please use high-endurance microSD card. We recommend Samsung 256GB U3 microSD card. Second product on my list, REDTIGER F7in 4K dual dash camera for cars. REDTIGER F7in 3.16-inch display dual front 4K 2.5K and rear 1080 pixel dash camera. Real Ultra HD 4K plus 1080p dual dashcam. The REDTIGER F7in dashcam offers top quality 4K 3840 by 2160 pixel with Sony Starvis sensor on front camera and 1920 by 1080 pixel on rear camera that captures super clear view. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate etc. Wide-angle dual camera capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions or collisions etc. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. The 4K backup car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. With the UCam app, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. What's more, video files can be downloaded to smartphone and shared with your friend by social media. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed, and other information, which will become your important evidence. Sony sensor and super night vision. F7in dashcam with Sony IMX415 sensor improves low-light sensitivity, allowing clear imaging in low-light environments. The combination of f1.5 large aperture and 6 glass lens, professional WDR, HDR technology ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments. Car license plates can be easily seen. 24 hours parking monitoring, G-sensor, loop recording. With a dedicated hardware kit, the recorder can automatically monitor the surrounding environment. When the built-in G-sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically lock video. Seamless loop recording will be automatically overwrite old files. Recording will be looped automatically. Dedicated hardwire kit is needed for this function. First product on my list, Rove R2-4K dashboard camera recorder. Rove R2-4K dashcam built-in Wi-Fi GPS car dashboard camera recorder with Ultra HD 2160 pixel 4K Ultra HD recording. The Rove R2-4K dash camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160 pixels. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice seeing much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dashcams. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light condition. Built-in Wi-Fi, use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Dashcam with GPS. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our car DV player. Features with state-of-the-art technology included: the car dashboard camera has f1.8 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, supports up to 512 GB Class 10, U3 speed microSD card.